This simple interview question has failed a lot of Google interview candidates. So the question is fairly simple. You are given 8 balls, 7 of same weight and 1 is of different weight. So you'll need to find the odd one out or the heavier ball with the least amount of moves. Just take 2 to 3 seconds or 10 seconds, just pause the video and try to figure out the answer. If not, just come back to the video. I'm starting the solution now. I'll tell you 3 solutions and the best one at the end of the video. So first solution is very simple. Just compare one ball to each and every ball. Obviously it will take 7 moves. So if I even take the heavier ball, whatever the ball, it will take 7 moves to find out which is heavier. The second solution, which most of you might have already figured out, which is just separate them into 2 groups, one of this and one of this, then find out which is heavier. Then separate these 2 into 2 groups, then find which is heavier. Then again separate them into 2 groups and you will find out the odd one or the heavier one. It will take 3 moves, but you can do it just in 2 moves. Now, listen carefully. You have to divide these 8 balls into 3 groups. One with 2 balls and the other 2 with 3 balls each. So let's just put these 2 in one group, these 3 in the other group, and these 3 in the other group. Now you weigh these 2 groups and find out which is heavier, which counts as 1 move. So you obviously found out this group is heavier. But what if you found out these 2 groups are of same weight? Then you know that this group has the heavier ball, then weigh these 2 on the opposite side and you got which is heavier ball in 2 moves. But in our case, you found out this is heavier group. Now from these 3 balls, you just pick 2 balls and weigh them on both sides. So let's just pick this and this. If I weigh them, these are of equal length. So now I know that the third ball, which is the other ball, is the heavier ball. So in just 2 moves, you found out which is heavier ball. But if you took these 3 balls and you directly find out this is the heavier ball. So whatever you do, you find out in 2 moves that which is heavier ball.